Welcome to DVCom Systems channel. Today, we're diving into the importance of network cable certification and compliance with industry standards, specifically, how certification ensures that your network cabling is compatible, high-performing, and reliable according to key industry standards like TIA, EIA. When it comes to network cabling, certification plays a critical role in establishing that an installation meets or exceeds industry benchmarks. Standards set by organizations such as the Telecommunications Industry Association, TIA, and the Electronic Industries Alliance, EIA, are widely recognized across the tech industry. The TIA, EIA standards outline strict specifications for network cabling components, installation practices, and performance metrics. By certifying your network cabling to these standards, you ensure that your infrastructure can reliably support high-speed data transmission, maintain signal integrity, and avoid costly downtime due to incompatibility or poor performance. One major benefit of certification is compatibility with network devices and systems. TIA, EIA standards are designed to support a wide range of devices and applications, from simple data sharing to high-speed internet and voice over IP, VoIP, services. By adhering to these standards, you can be confident that your cabling is compatible with current technology and capable of supporting future upgrades. This is especially important for businesses that may need to expand their network or integrate new technologies over time. Certification helps future-proof your network, protecting your investment and reducing the need for frequent overhauls. Certification also enhances performance and reliability. TIA, EIA standards specify limits for parameters like crosstalk, return loss, and signal-to-noise ratio. Testing and certifying your cabling to meet these specifications ensures that your network can deliver optimal speed and efficiency. This translates to fewer dropped connections, faster data transfer, and reduced interference, all of which contribute to a smoother and more efficient workflow. Certified networks are less prone to issues that could cause downtime, meaning your employees can stay productive and avoid the frustrations of connectivity problems. At DVCom Systems, we take pride in certifying our installations to meet TIA, EIA standards, ensuring you receive a network solution that is both high quality and fully compliant. Our expertise in network certification means we can provide you with peace of mind, knowing your network is built to support your business needs today and well into the future. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into network infrastructure and cabling solutions. For further details on our certification and installation services, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit our website at www.dvcsny.com. Stay connected, and see you next time.